Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore Tropical Temple Hotel. This hotel located in General Luna, Siargao. General Luna is the most famous place for stay for the tourist because this is the place can access all the tourist spot easily. This is the reception with a lot of space and high ceilings are very great. There is a dormitory. I will explain that a little bit later. And you can see beautiful bar and the kitchen. Here you can order the food. And today is a full moon. The moon was really beautiful over there. Here you can order the food until 8 p.m. Breakfast, lunch and dinner is available over here. They have a separate room. It looks like a hut type. And you have a double room also available. First floor and second floor. That will be a little bit expensive. They have a very gorgeous swimming pool which is open until 10 p.m. in the night. And you have the sunbath area. Beautiful chairs. Look at the blue sky and the palm tree. Looks like a heaven. So far, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. And there is a small bar area which any function or party you can have your live music. It's a quite nice place. This is the dormitory room, like a capsule type. Here I stayed for 5 days. The capsule have a 4 feet breadth, 4 feet height, 8 feet length. So it can fit any type of man. It was quite nice. You can easily take rest and you can put your things on the side. This is enough for me, which is cost only 500 pesos at the time. It's very economical. Privacy also is very clean. You have a blinder. This whole room is fully air conditioned. And you have an extra locker on the side. You can put your things if you have more things. For me, I don't need this. Like this, you have a 6 capsule, 3 down, 3 up. Usually in the morning time I will go for the tour, so I will not in the room. Only the dinner time I will sleep here. At the same time I use this place for charging my electronics things, my drones, my phone, everything to get ready for tomorrow. So this kind of space is really good for me and there is enough, and we can save a lot of money in it. And they change every day the bed sheet. The room was very clean. They do laundry also. For 8 pieces of cloth, I only paid 250 pesos, which is good. If you're staying for 5 days in anywhere, on the 3rd day you give laundry, so the 4th day you can get the laundry back. So you have a lot of fresh clothes to wear and continuously you can use well. Only drawback is in the common bathroom there is no hot water, which is I don't care, but some people may like hot water. That's the only drawback. But the toilet and the bathrooms are very clean. They clean every day. They keep it clean always. The place was excellent. The staff are very kindly and friendly. They help you a lot if you ask any help. And the kitchen, the food was very good. I had only breakfast only one time, which is nice. I always go out. Lunch is part of the tour, so I always eat outside. But the dinner, I always come for this hotel. I eat here. My recommendation is homemade hummus with pita bread. That is mind blowing. I eat this food almost like every day. Then I try the veggie pizza, which is excellent also. My another favorite food is fish and chip. Each and everybody have a different style of making food, but the result was very fantastic over here. I highly recommend the food. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome.